So let's go ahead and look closer on the masks. So we'll look on different type of masks, how we work with them, and what is benefit to use each of them. And it's help us to select the right mask for job we're going to do. So right here we have our image, and depend how you like smart object or not. This is normal image I just opened, and we'll go to create mask for this. So let's go duplicate this just in case we're going to reuse, and I'm going to rename this to the model, and we can create now a mask for this layer. So notice right here on the bottom we have a special icon. It's going like a black square with a black dot on the middle, and it's, if you look over, it says add layer mask. So by clicking on this, we creating a new mask layer for this image. So now, as long as the mask is selected, we can paint over. And notice this is actually not paint, it's actually does not even erase, because if we switch back to the white color, and white is not transparent, you can see we can bring in. This is a non-destructive way to remove unnecessary content or isolate our object by using mask tool. So okay, right here we can, even you can see very rough, we can go around and just, you know, remove some of those. We don't need it. And of course, if we make some mistakes, we can go back and fix it, some of those mistakes very easy. Okay, so this is a raster based, very basic mask. The one nice thing is you also can combine different masks, and I was surprised to find out not so many people use them. It is when you can use raster and you can combine. If you click one more time, you notice right here, now we also have a vector mask. So in the vector mask, you can actually use the pen tool, okay, right here, to create a mask. So you can combine in this point, you can combine the Control Z, be sure we select the mask, okay? So we can combine powerful or raster mask with a vector mask together. Okay, so also you notice right here, I was be sure that it's selected right layer. So if I select my main layer and start doing it, just will start painting over this. So this is, I don't want that. Okay, and next you'll notice we have locks. By right now, if I take the tool and I start moving around, all my masks and my image moving together. Of course, if you can uncheck disable them and just select the mask, for example, now I just move only mask itself. Okay, as well, I can just move it only layer. So they're not locked together at all right now. Okay, so let's go delete this one, and we'll again create a new one. Okay, this way you can see we can create a multiple mask. Some masks will create automatically. For example, if I select the just pen tool and start drawing around, okay, around there, for example. Okay, and let's go very fast. I'm going to close the loop by clicking right there. Okay, this way it's already create a path for me. So if I go and says create vector mask, you can notice right here I actually created already vector mask. So I don't necessarily need to click. You can create it different ways, but also through the path. So right here I have my mask done. Okay, and as well, because it's a vector based mask, same things, you can go ahead and select the pen tool and create modify. And in this case, you can go click on the path and we can modify that path, adjust to specific. Okay. So we can go delete anchors right here, selecting, and we can just remove some of the path. We can also add additional dots to this, you know, moving. And this is what powerful tool of this, because we can kind of by adjusting some of those areas, we can modify it with this mask. Okay. So we look on that two different type of mask, vector and pixel based, and some very rough overlook. Let's go ahead and try to work with a pen and just isolate this model with those tools and see how they well work together and why we want to use them.